In our production planning and control, let us discuss what is material requirement planning, that is indicated as MRP. So basically, this MRP is used in our manufacturing process for best planning of our production, that is any plan which has to be produced in our production process should be planned accordingly. Not only the planning, according to the plan, the steps and the process should be scheduled one by one, and all the cost requirement should be maintained. So this MRP is used to manage all this manufacturing process. Not only that, it also solves the questions like how to produce, when to produce, and what to produce. So this is the basic definition of MRP. So next, moving on to the benefits of MRP. This material requirement planning, as I said, it manages our manufacturing process. Using this MRP, we can improve our customer service, that is according to the requirement of the customers. Our product can be delivered. Not only that, step by step, according to the feedback from the customer, our product can be improved during the various stages. Next, it also reduces the purchase cost and reduces our inventory levels and the materials which we are using for manufacturing. It reduces our manufacturing cost by reducing the material cost, wastage. Not only that, not only it improves our productivity, it also increases our quality of the products. By using this MRP, we can also increase our efficiency of the product which we are manufacturing. So these are some benefits of MRP. Next, moving on to the objectives of MRP. The main concept of using this MRP is setting up the right materials to the right place at right time, such that we can process our production without any delay. Not only, it also checks the availability of various materials before starting of the production, and it reduces the all various cost and maintains the possible level of product as well as materials in our store. So storage is maintained accordingly, according to our manufacturing or production process. Next, the various activities in our production process can be planned accordingly. Not only planning our manufacturing process, it also gives a good processing schedule to deliver the products as well as purchasing the various product activities. So these are some objectives of our MRP. This MRP has also some limitations. So what is the limitation of MRP is given below. That is, we require expensive computer system to operate our production process, and it requires up-to-date input and accurately data for the production. Accurate data for production is required while using this MRP process. Otherwise, the process can't be managed, and each and every step has to be reported accordingly. The reporting requirement is needed for this MRP. So these are the various limitations while using this material requirement planning.